It's that time of the year again. Diwali is next week, which basically means every Indian household has gone into full mission survive mode. People say start your day healthy, I say start your day happy. And carbs are happiness. Suited for today. Just a basic top and jeans, nothing fancy, just comfortable enough to handle crowds, traffic, and my tendency to lose patience every 5 minutes. Diwali shopping officially begins today, and I have no idea how this is going to go. So let's go see what the festive chaos looks like this year.